I like to speak in English, and first of all, I want to convey all the Baloch brothers and sisters, the family of Taj Muhammad Sarfara, that we Pashtuns, we Afghans, we Larabar Afghans are with you in thick and thin, in each and every wish of Baloch nation. As you know, that Pakistan is committing an organized genocide of Pashtun and Baloch. It's a very heinous crime, has got many aspects. I simply want to explain only one thing, that what are the sufferings of the families of a person who was enforcedly disappeared. It is such a devastating experience that no one can even imagine. The most painful endure one can ever think of. The family of oppressed person are forced to be in a tortuous limbo. They are forced each and every day in helplessness, fear, and uncertainty. The crime of being a disappeared person is not one crime. It is a continuing crime, the wound of which can't be healed with passage of time. The only crime, the wounds of which cannot be healed with passage of time. Why? It's because of silence, denial, and fear. These three things prevent healing of the wounds. That's why when you see the families of a disappeared person, they never enjoy their life. The third aspect is psychological. It is a continuing psychological torture. It is such a torture that that family never ever enjoy anything. They can't move on. They can't mourn. And they can't even ask for justice in a thorough way without the fear of retaliation. Because if this gathering would have been in Islamabad, you could have imagined what would have happened to you. The state would have retaliated further. And last, not the least, what happens to the parents of a disappeared person? Their lifespan gets shortened. Why? Because of their helpless searching efforts, because of their restless nights, and because of their crushing guilt. And that's why the mother of Taj Muhammad Sarfara, when she died, it reminded me that the same happened to the mothers and fathers of all the persons who were enforcedly disappeared. At the end, I want to reassure you once again that our pain is the same, our sufferings are same, our causative factor is the same. So the treatment is also the same, and the treatment is a long-term unity, alliance between Pashtun and Baloch. Thank you very much.